Hello friends, we are going to study bridge-based calculation. While calculating equivalent resistance when we have complex circuits, then we will derive into bridge-based and we have few formulas, few shortcuts. On that basis, we can easily calculate your equivalent resistance. Coming to the point, coming to the topic, bridge-based calculation, we have four impedances Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4. These are connected in bridge and these are connected with one voltage source and the current I is flowing. We have one formulas for which we will see what will be the value of I. This will depend on the values of Z1, Z2, Z3 and Z4. So, when value of small I will be equal to 0, it means value of I will be equal to 0 when Z1 upon Z2 is equal to Z3 upon Z4. It means Z1, Z4 is equal to Z2, Z3. When we will find these impedances relation, then this value of I will be equal to 0. And if this will not follow, Z1, Z4 is not equal to Z2, Z3, then there will be value of I something which not be equal to 0. It means we have to consider this resistance value while calculating the equivalent resistance, inductance or capacitance, and we will take the help of star to delta and delta to star conversion to find out the equivalent resistance. We have one question here on bridge based calculation in which we have to find out the value of CAB will be equal to what. Then what will we do? We will see first which capacitance is in series and which capacitances are in parallel. So we cannot say easily this and this are not connected in parallel. This will be connected in parallel if it will be like this. There would not be any point in between these 2 points, then it will be parallel. But here this 10 microfarad it connected between this 4 microfarad, 4 microfarad, it should be connected here. If it would be like this, then this would be series and this both 4 microfarad, 10 microfarad will be in parallel. But this question is not like this. So we have to see clearly, we have to open this circuit. So A, B and we will nomenclate C and D. On this basis of 4 points, we will elaborate this circuit. A and C, A and C and A and D. A and C are connected through 4 microfarad. A and C are connected through 4 microfarad. A and D are also connected through 4 microfarad. D, this is A, this is C, this is D. D and C are also connected by, D and C are also connected by 10 microfarad and D and B are connected through 4 microfarad. D and B are connected through 4 microfarad and B and C are connected through 4 microfarad. So we got a bridge like structure here. Then the value of CAB will be what? A and B. For that what we will do? We will make a voltage which will be applying directly to A and B, and the current I will flow. Whatever the value of V by I will be the equal to CAB. So this is one way of calculating CAB, and one another way is through bridge based calculation and through series and parallel. So if you will see this 4 microfarad, it means C1, this C4 is equal to C2 into C3. C1 C4 is equal to C2 C3. It means there will be no current in this 10 microfarad. Then we can remove this from here. We can remove this from here, and again this 4 microfarad will be in series, and this 4 microfarad will be in series. So we can minimize this circuit like 4 and 4 are in series. Then we will be applying C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. If it would be resistor, then it would be 8 ohm, but this is capacitor, so the value of 4 microfarad and 4 microfarad in series will be equal to your half 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad in parallel with again 2 microfarad. This is the point A and this is the point B, and again 2 microfarad are in parallel, so it will add directly, and this will be equal to 4 microfarad. This will be just opposite to the parallel of resistors. We have one more circuit based on bridge based calculation. In this circuit, the question is asking what will be the value of I. This circuit is looking very complex, but if you will see very carefully, then we will see few bridges. See here guys, I am just pointing out the name, node name A, node name B, node name C. If you will elaborate A and B like this, then that we can draw, this will be your 3 ohm and this will also be your what? 3 ohm, and this 4 ohm in between, and this 3 by 2, 3 by 2. It is looking like this, but if you will stretch, it will look like this, and 3 by 2, 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2, 3 by 2, and this is 3. You can see from here, this 3 into 3 by 2 is equal to this 3 into 3 by 2. It means there will be no current in 4 ohm resistor here. In the same way, this B and C point here, 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 is equal to 1 upon n, or 3 by 2 into 1 is equal to 3 by 2 into 1. So there will be no current in these. I is equal to I dash is equal to 0 and I double dash is equal to 0. So we can simply draw circuit here. This A, this 3, this will be in series, 3 ohm, 3 ohm. Then again 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 is in series, 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 ohm is in series, because there will be no current in this, though we can remove this 4 ohm resistor and this 2 ohm resistor. Then again this 1 ohm are connected in series. We can stretch here little bit. 1 ohm, this 1 ohm and this 1 ohm, and we have 1 ohm resistor here and plus minus 10 volt. We have 1 ohm and 10 volt. Now we will reduce further this circuit. This will be your 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 3 ohm series, 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 ohms in series. It will be equal to 3 and 1 ohm, 1 ohm. This will be equal to 2 ohm. And here this is 1 ohm and 10 volt battery. Now we can calculate easily. This 6 ohm and 3 ohm are in parallel. When you will calculate, this will be 2 and this 2, this will be 2, and this 2 and 2 are in parallel, then this will be in 1. Then finally if you will draw the circuit, this 1 ohm equivalent of these and 1 ohm here and 10 volt. So the value of I will be what? The value of I will be equal to 10 upon 1 plus 1, and that will be equal to what? 5 ampere. So the value of I would be equal to what? 5 ampere. Thank you.